down to see the sights.
Well, I left the guys in Kamloops and I hopped into my car. With gas $1 a gallon, knew I couldn't go too far. So I took the Transcan West until I reached Vancouver town. My car gave out on Hornby Street, so I had to shut her down. Well, then I received the surprise of my young life, for a beautiful blonde lady smiled at me and said, "Honey, you want to have a party?" Hornby Street, Hornby Street. The price is high, but the product can't be beat. Well, I figured, what the hell, I might only be here once. Plus, I didn't want my lady friend to take me for a dunce. So I reached into my jeans and found to my despair $7 and a UIC check was all that there was there. Hornby Street, Hornby Street. Ah, the price is high, but the product can't be beat. Well, my lady friend, she laughed and said, "Hey, that won't take us far." But I thought real quick, and I said, how about the car? Well, she took my UIC check, $7 and everything. But what she gave me in return was truly for a king on Hornby Street. They're not discreet. Though the price is high, the product can't be beat. Well, I'm walking back to Kamloops, but I think I'll be okay. I'm hoping to arrive there around the 31st of May. And when you see my lady friend, I hope she isn't miffed. But if she comes to Kamloops, I'd appreciate a lift back to Hornby Street. Ah, what a treat. Though the price is high, the product can't be beat. On Hornby Street, there's no receipt, never. Though the price is high, the product can't be beat. And remember, the customer always comes first.